welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how I create my digital planner. I recently got the regular 2018 iPad along with the Apple Pencil. I find now that I use a lot less paper since I use this as a digital planner, a sketchbook, and even a notebook for whenever I need to write things down or just do a quick sketch of something that I want to design. But today I'm going to show you what I do to create the digital planner. So first, I just start off by creating an overview of the months. Here I'm working on both the months of April and May, and I'm just using the same design for both since I started the end of April and I didn't feel the need to create two different designs for just 2 weeks. But I just put the designs on both corners and then I write out the months, the days of the weeks, and then the numbers. So next I'm just going to show you how I draw out my layouts for the week. I'm the type of person who likes to use checklists, and I don't really need a digital planner that tells me how much water I've been drinking that day or my mood at the same time. So this works out for me, but you can use whatever you'd like that makes you happy. But here I just do it all on Procreate. I did find this layout on Pinterest and I just recreated it to my liking. So now I'm just using OneNote. This is the app I use to create my planner just because I can open it on my laptop, on my phone, and anywhere basically, and it just works for me. A lot of people like to use GoodNotes, but I didn't want to be spending another $10. I just didn't want to spend money on another app that I could easily recreate on a free app. And so on OneNote, all I do is insert the photos that I have created on Procreate. And it's just so easy for me to both type and write on the actual pictures itself, which is why I chose this over another app. Anyways, I hope that this video was at least a little bit helpful to you guys. This is just what works for me. If it doesn't work for you, then I'm sorry. I'm sure there's other videos out there that will show you what is more appealing to you guys, but I just wanted to show how I created my digital planner and how helpful it is for me not to be wasting any more paper. But hope you guys like this. I will see you in my next video. Maybe.